Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to freeze panes here in Smartsheet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Smartsheet, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Freezing panes in Smartsheet is a straightforward process that helps you keep specific rows or columns visible while you scroll through your data, which is, I find it very helpful in terms of working with a large sheets. Now, once you are logged into your Smartsheet account, start by opening the file where you want to freeze the rows. In my case, this is going to be the file. Now, all I'm gonna do is click the row number of the row you want to freeze. This will be the row below which the pane will remain frozen. Okay? Now, in this case, I'm gonna be using that. I want you to click on the file and click on freeze. Right? You see, when you hover it down here, it's not moving, but the effect will be visible if you use the Gantt view, because here, for example, you see that the right here, this particular column or pane has been freezed. All right, I find it very useful when working with extensive sheets. Freezing panes helps maintain context by keeping relevant headers or labels in view, making it easier to navigate and understand the data. Now, if you are frequently comparing data across different parts of the sheet more easily, you might want to freeze this specific pane while examining related data elsewhere in the sheet, right? And this is more better if you are on the Gantt view, because if you are in the timeline, you might wanna not gonna be able to extend or fully utilize the freezing of the pane right here. But of course, you see that? Now, you can facilitate a more effective and organized review process because freezing panes ensures that all members, if you're working with multiple people, clients, they can consistently see the same reference points, reducing confusion and improving coordination. And of course, when presenting data or creating reports, freezing panes help keep critical information visible to your audience, enhancing the clarity and impact of your presentation. And again, you can simply hover back to the timeline or the Gantt view where it is usually must have to improve coordination. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video.